Alright, lesson 3.2, 3.3 is all about transformations of linear functions. And we talked a little bit in chapter 2 about slope-intercept form. Maybe you don't recall, y is equal to mx plus b. And then we talked about these values, a, h, and k. Okay, so friendly reminder, if you go back to your notes and jot down how each of the following impact a graph. Your a value is very much like a slope, okay? Your a value, if it is greater than 1, it stretches. If it's less than 1, it compresses. So if we're talking about slope-intercept form, right, if a is greater than 1, it's going to stretch. It's going to make that slope steeper. Okay, I think about hills, it would make that hill harder to climb. If a is less than 1, it's compressing that slope. It's kind of pushing it down and making it easier to climb. Very helpful to think about a treadmill and inclines on that. Alright, so a either stretches or compresses, and a also tells us if we are flipping or reflecting when a is negative. H tells me if I'm moving left or right. Alright. And then K tells me if I'm going up or down. If my transformation is up or down. You will need to know A, H, and K, and we're going to continue using these through the year. So if you start to get this idea of thinking about A, H, and K and how it's moving a graph, you'll be set. So for this one, they want me to look at 2x minus 4, okay, and how it shifts from f of x is 2x minus 4 to g of x, where 2x plus 9 is what's there. So here, if we think about it, they have the same slope. So A is not changing. Okay, H is not present. Okay, but K is our B value, and y is equal to mx plus v. Okay, we're talking our y-intercept. So K, it went from negative 4 to 9, so we're shifting up. Alright, and we actually are shifting up 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 units. Okay, so we're shifting up 13. When we're comparing this next one, A, well, what's happening to A? My A is bigger than 1, so we know it's stretching. Okay, my H looks to be going to the, or moving right, 1. Okay, and my K, it shifts down because now it's plus 0 at the end, where before it was plus 1, so my K is shifting down 1. Alright, I'm going to have you guys go ahead and try number 3, and I'll come back in on number 4. So what's happening to my A? Yes, my A value in both of these, okay, is 2, but this is a negative 2, so it's going to reflect. Okay, we're moving over 1 for my H, moving 1, and my K was 4, it's still at 4, so my K stays the same. So main things to know from this unit, A, alright, is either stretching or compressing based on the A value. H is moving left or right. K is moving the graph up or down. Okay, so if you could start thinking about it in this way of, okay, well, where's my graph going from the parent graph? Where's my graph going from the original function that they're giving me? You'll be set. So that's a little bit on 3.3. I'm going to be looking at number 3 tomorrow.